So hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can locally host n8n. Now, what is the advantage of this? So it would be that we can get the free access of n8n, right? Second thing, this is the main reason over here, right? If you are on the learning stage or something, you would be needing it or free access. So this is the main reason. Second, if you are having your own company or something, uh, you would be thinking that you would be having all the data, all the credentials on your PC. You won't be trusting on someone else cloud or someone else server or something. So you would think like all the data should remain with me. So this is the second advantage. I don't think so anyone over here would be having second thing, right? Because they would be hiring people. They won't be doing on their own anyways. So these are the main reasons why we can locally host anytime, right? So basically, the meaning behind this would be that the n8n itself is on your PC, right? So whenever you are, let's suppose, activating the workflow, your PC should be also on. Then only that workflow is going to execute, right? Let's suppose I'm publishing my workflow. I guess so. Everyone knows what is the publishing. We have discussed that again and again, right? So once I would be publishing my workflow, my PC should be on, then only that workflow is going to execute. So that's the reason. This can be a little bit disadvantage, but if your company is big enough, there would be many PCs or many servers which are going to be continuously on, right? So let's hit how to do this, right? Now again, I was also not knowing how to do. So you can just go, you can click Gemini, you can ask the Gemini itself. So I have already done so. So I have already asked like what we can do. So first of all, you are going to install the Node.js, right? So Node.js, click downloads. And now over here, if your PC is Windows like me, and so you can go with this version, right? If it is Mac, you can choose that. If it is Linux, you can choose that. For time being, we are going to choose Windows. We are going to go down. Over here, you're going to choose the bits, right? So I'm having 64 bits, and I guess this is what they can go for. इससे कम नहीं दे रहे वो लोग. They are not giving anything less than this, or else you can choose any of them. Fine. I guess they have disabled this 86 thing. Fine. Windows again, and then you're going to download this. I have already downloaded this, so there is no need of downloading again. And you can install, it is going to install. Now, how we would be knowing that it has installed? So, see over here also, in this also, they have given us, right? So, if you are very keen to read all this, you would also get from here. So, you can click this, you can simply copy this and you can paste this in your command prompt. Now, how you would be opening your command prompt? Press Windows plus R and type CMD. Again, I'm repeating, press Windows plus R and press and type CMD. Press enter. You would be seeing a window like this, right? Press Control V because we have already copied the code. Press enter. I guess this is not what we wanted to see. I guess this is some different code. Yeah, this is the one which we are supposed to. Okay, sorry. So this is what we are supposed to do. Yeah. Again, we are going to open our command prompt and okay. So this is for n8n. I would be writing clear. Okay, I guess this is not working. I would be closing this. We would be reopening this. We would be pressing Control V. Node. See. So this is what we are getting, and this is the version which we have downloaded, which means it is successfully downloaded. Fine. Now, next, what we are going to do again, go to your Google Gemini. Now, if you're going to see, you're going to write down this. You're going to copy this code and you're going to simply paste that again in your command prompt. Fine. Once you are going to do that, then you are going to you are going to copy and paste this one. Once it is installed, right? It will take some time to install, right? So I have already installed n8n, so I won't be doing that again. Probably they are going to reinstall it again. So there is no need of doing that. So I would be just going with this code right now. N8n start. I hope so it won't get anything wrong over here. Press enter and it will take some time, but finally you would be getting something. So let's wait. Yeah. So once you would be getting something like this, press O to open in browser. It has completely done. Now, if you're going to see, this is the link, right? So copy this, Control C, paste this in your browser. Let's suppose I'm pasting this over here, Control V, and this is good to go. Press enter. Fine. And now this is our workflow, which has already started. Mm, just a second. Fine. So yeah, this is our workflow. This is our n8n, which is locally hosted now, right? And you can start with your workflows over here. One more thing. Let's suppose if I'm going to close this command prompt, right? And then if I'm going to reload this, so this n8n is not going to work, which means whenever you want to start your n8n again, what you are supposed to do, you are going to again press Windows plus R, you are going to type CMD and you are going to press enter. You would be getting your this tab, right? Command prompt tab. Just again write n8n, press enter. Again, it will take a couple of seconds. So it is installing again, right? Again, same as the previous thing, you would be getting something like this. Press O to open browser. Now, if you're going to see over here, if you're going to reload this, this is going to again start, which simply means that whenever you are shutting down your PC or something, whenever you are closing this Windows, this command prompt tab, if you want to open your n8n locally again, you are supposed to go through the same process again, right? So you are going to go in your command prompt, you are going to press, you are going to type n8n, and then you would able to locally host your n8n. Fine. I hope so. You guys learned something from here. Fine. Chalo, let's meet in some other video. Bye.